you, Mahadev, Nihal, okay, Nagaraj. Why you people joined late? This class was on 27th. Q Talk, I cannot add. Q Talk, you should contact with the counseling team. They will add you. Counseling team will add you. Why you people joined today? What you did from last 2 days? Where were you people? You people got the link for the today? Already two classes are done. Already two classes are done. On 27th and 28th. Two classes are done. So after the class, that was the theory things only. Don't worry. We'll just do one quick brush up, okay? We'll do one quick brush up after the class and we'll just continue with that. They told me that only trainer can add into groups. Who said you? No, dear, no. I cannot add them. Only the admin is the counseling team or HR team. Whom did you contact? Contact the counselors. They will add you. We have a separate QTech for that itself. We have a separate team. We cannot add. Trainer is not having that rules or the rights to add. You contact him. Yes, Sanjay, I got to know. Contact Sanjay and tell him trainers are not able to add. You are or your team, QTech team, are supposed to add. Okay, please try to add as soon as possible. So yesterday we saw the tags, the types of tags, and the structure of a HTML, all these things we saw, correct? Before the structure of HTML, first of all, we'll understand the definition. What is HTML? Actually, I was supposed to give the definition of HTML. Directly we went to structure. That's okay, no problem. So what do you mean by HTML? Yes, what do you mean by HTML? What is the full form of HTML? You are common in both the group. That is the reason you are getting both the notes at a time. In this group, whatever I'll send also, you will receive. Don't worry. Okay. Still in the WebTech group, I have not yet shared anything. Once I share, you will receive that. Even in SQL notes also, you'll receive that because you are common in both the groups. Okay. Yes. So what is HTML? As you people said me, hyper text markup language. Correct? Correct? What do you mean by hyper? I said you in your HTTPS. What is hyper? It's nothing but a link or a network. A link or a network. Linking. Hyperlinks. Yesterday I have shown you when you open a website, you get so many links. One is connected to one is connected to one is connected to one. The link. Yes, each one link is connected to each other. Did we discuss that yesterday? If you click on one link, that link will connect to one more link. That link will connect to one more link. Yes, that is why this is called as link. Hyper is nothing but it's a link. Linking. Link to web pages. It's linking to the web pages. What do you mean by text? What is text? Yes, text is already, a data. A data in text format, in image format, in audio format, or in video format, etc., etc., etc. The data, text related data, whatever you get. What is markup? What do you mean by markup? Markup is nothing. This tags. These are called as markup languages. Anything should be written inside this. Any content you should write inside the tag only you should write. It should be written inside the tag. This is only the HTML language. Getting my point? You cannot write down normal content. The normal content also should be written inside the tag, inside the opening and inside the closing. Inside opening and closing only you're supposed to write the content in between them. Getting my point? What is markup? Markup is something, opening tag and closing tag. Inside that you should write the content. They are the markup language. Okay, and one more thing why it is called as markup is all other languages, that is nothing but your HTML, sorry, this is only HTML, your CSS, your JavaScript or your React, whatever the front end are there, everything is dependent on HTML. On HTML. Directly you cannot run CSS file. Directly you can't run JavaScript file. Why? Because when there is no content, what is the use of giving designing and functionality? Leave about other subjects and only come to front end, HTML and CSS. HTML and CSS is dependent, mainly HTML and CSS is dependent on your Java, on your HTML file. CSS and JavaScript is dependent on your HTML file. I said you yesterday, only CSS file will not work. Only CSS can you work? Only on JavaScript can you work? Without content, without the body, without the structure, you cannot. For whom you will design? There is no structure only. For what you will design? There is no structure only. How can you give a functionality for that? Getting my point? So that is why this is called as markup. Markup is nothing, the dependency of this language. For every CSS and JavaScript language, you need HTML language. Okay, you require HTML language. That is all about your hypertext markup language. Getting my point? Getting my point? Why it is called as a markup language? Okay, who introduced this hypertext markup language? Sorry. Yes, who introduced? This was introduced by Sir Tim Berners-Lee. Sir Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, Sir Tim Berners-Lee in the year 1991. He introduced this particular language. It was introduced by Sir Tim Berners-Lee in the 1991, but finally it was released or published. Finally, it was published in the year 1993. It was released and the only particular people were using. Finally, it got into public, and when the developers, all the IT people started using this language in the year 1993. And right now, which HTML version we are using? HTML5 is the new version, which is released in 2012. This is the new version what we are using now. As of now, HTML 5.2 is yet to be released, but it's under the progress. Maybe in the future we will get a new HTML. So what we are learning is HTML5. Whatever we are learning, whatever we are going to learn is a new version, HTML5 version. Before that, there was no, for the designings, there was no such applications. For the designing, I mean, for the designing, there was no such languages to use it. They used some other front end languages, like many front end languages are there before this. But when HTML came into introduction, all those languages got reduced. All those languages got into reduced, and they're not much into the uses. Okay, this is all about just a small introduction. Your current version is HTML5, new version. And why we are using HTML? What is the use of HTML? HTML uses. What is the use of HTML? Tell me. Very good, very good. The first use is nothing but HTML. HTML is used to give the structure for a web page. First thing, it is used to give a structure for the web page, a content, a structure or a content, whatever you want, you can tell. Content or a structure. Then the second thing, what is the main purpose of using these languages? Because it is a consisting of elements or tags. It is containing elements or tags, containing or consisting, whatever it is. I'll just write containing. It is containing elements or tags in which we can write beautiful content for your structure, main purpose. Then what you can give? Develop the web pages or structure of web pages, or design the web pages. And one more thing, this HTML language will tell the browser, how to display the content. Okay, this HTML language, it will tell the browser how to display the content on the web page. You're aligning, you are giving one heading, how to display the heading. You're giving one some tags, you're using some tags, one heading tags, one paragraph tag, one form tag. You're using some tags, how to display those particular tags, how it should look. When you use a heading, it should be different way, different color, or a different handwriting, different size, different width, all like that. Each tag is having a different way of display. If you take some other tags, formatting tags, those tags will display in different way. Italic handwriting, bold handwriting, or if you take some list tags, they will come in different way. They come in a list format, like that. Each tags will display different way. So that is done by the HTML. HTML will tell the browser how to display. You should display in the list format. You should display in the heading format. You should go like a paragraph format. So HTML is telling how to display the content on the web page by using tags, especially by using tags. Okay, so you can tell these are the important things. Same thing, creating or designing the web pages. Designing is like, it comes under CSS. In HTML, you don't design anything, you just give the content. Designing will come for CSS. You are designing there, positioning, displaying, coloring, background, all those things are designing. They come under CSS. What we are doing in HTML, we are just giving the content for the HTML. Content, that file content, that structure for the HTML. Okay. Yes. And we created one file, right? Just open your file now, everyone. Open the file through your command prompt. Yes. So yesterday we discussed about the structure. So this is all about the structure what we discussed in yesterday's class. Yes. So what is HTML tag? What is the use of HTML tag? What is HTML tag? It's a root element. It's a root element, or you can even tell it is a parent tag. It is a parent tag. Head and body are the childrens of the tag. Okay. HTML is called as a parent tag. HTML tag is a parent tag. Head tag and body tag is called as a childrens of their tag. I mean, the childrens of HTML tag is a head and body tag. Okay. The people who have joined today, it's difficult for you people because yesterday only we discussed all these things. Please download Visual Studio Code, everyone. Everyone download Visual Studio Code, those who have joined today. So we will discuss in the last 10 minutes. Now I have to do the content. So we'll just discuss in the last 10 minutes for the people who are joined from today. Okay, listen today's session. Remaining we'll do it in the last 10 minutes. Please download Visual Studio Code, VS Code. Just download that. It's 2 minutes process. Just try to download that. Okay. So yesterday we saw the structure. What is this doc type? What do you mean by doc type? What do you mean by doc type? I said you yesterday. Guys. Document type, or it is indicating the current version of your file. Current HTML 5th version it is indicating. Two things, and HTML tag is called as a parent tag, and head is a child of that, and body is also the child. Head and body are children tags for the HTML. This is a parent or a root tag. Anything you can tell. Opening HTML, closing HTML, and opening body and closing body, opening head and closing head. Okay. Now, title will discuss this later. Now, first what we are going to discuss is tags inside the head section. What are the tags inside the head section we are going to study now? Yesterday we discussed paired tags and unpaired tags. Now, the first tag what we are discussing is head section tags. Okay, the first tag what we are going to discuss is head section tags. Yes. Inside the head section tags, I gave you 5 tags. What are those tags? Inside the head section tags, I gave you 5 tags name. What are those 5 tags name? One is meta tag. Next, title tag. Next, link tag. Next, style tag. And the last one, script tag. These are the head section tags we are going to discuss now. So coming to your meta tag. First of all, what did you, did I type this meta tag? See people, I'll just remove entire structure. Create one HTML file. In the file section, come here in the file section, create index.html. HTML file should be created with .html, CSS file with .css, JavaScript file with .js. Now, in this HTML file, I want to put the structure now. How to put a structure of HTML? I want to get the structure of HTML now. Head, body, all HTML tags, all the tags I want to get now. How to get the structure of HTML? Shift plus 1. Shift plus 1. Don't use a plus button. Shift 1. Just shift 1. The first exclamatory symbol. Don't go for 3 exclamatory symbol. Go for just first exclamatory symbol. There you will get the structure. And did you notice meta is coming by default? I didn't type this tag. Title will discuss it later. Now talking about meta. So what is this meta? Did I type this tag? Did I manually use this tag? Did I give this tag? This is coming by default along with the structure of your HTML. Yes, along with the structure, you're getting this meta tag. What is this meta? Have you observed whenever you open your Facebook, whenever you open your WhatsApp, you get that meta symbol? Have you observed? Have you observed? Whenever you open through your mobile applications, you get meta symbol. Meta WhatsApp, Meta Facebook. Whenever you run Instagram also, you get those symbol. What is that meta? Yes, people, very simple people. Meta tag is nothing. It is holding your entire HTML document information. It is describing the entire HTML document information. This character set, it is the page character coding, this name of your document, this content, height and width of your document, how you're using this, like this, many things, the details. What is the viewport of your document, in what portal it is running. Totally, I want to tell you, it is holding the entire information about your document. That is why, first of all, HTML will load. Then only CSS will load. Then JavaScript will load. Always, HTML will hold your information. That should go and reach the browser. Browser should load your HTML. After HTML, CSS will load. After CSS only JavaScript will load. So whenever you want to make your HTML to load, your meta tag should be there. And you don't need to write that. You don't give 1 point of anything in that. By default, it will only take what is the height, width, what is the character set, everything it will only take. You don't need to change anything. Please leave it as it is. So we are not going to change anything in the meta tag. That is as it is. Okay. Don't remove this and don't run your file. No. That file should be, the tag name should be there. The tag name, the details, the viewport, everything should be there. Okay. It is, whenever I'm getting a structure by inbuilt only, I'm getting that. So that means that is mandatory. You're not supposed to remove that and run the file. So what do you mean by meta tag? In a simple way, meta tag is nothing, a set of data or anything, it is holding a set of data and describes some information about your HTML file or HTML document. Simple. Okay. So what is your meta tag? You can tell. Meta tag is data, is holding the data and describing the information about entire HTML document or file, anything you can tell. Okay, that is all about meta tag. It just gives the information about your HTML file. That's it. We are not going to write anything in that meta tag. Okay. First thing, we are not going to write anything in that meta tag. Now, the second tag you have, that is TI. The moment you give capital letters also will run, but sometimes capital letters, there are different tags. They work different. So always go with lower tags only. HTML is not a case sensitive, but tags are different. Okay, in capital also there is break tag. In lowercase also there is break tag. So they work different. So it's better go with lowercase. Title. Just type TI, you'll get the remaining letters. Title. What do you mean by title? Web technology. I'm writing web technology. Now I want to run this file. How to run? Yesterday you installed some extension. What are those extension? What are those extension you installed in yesterday's session? We installed some extensions. Prettier, okay. Material theme icon, okay. Live server, very good. We installed something called live server. Right click on your document, on your entire document, anywhere. Just right click. Can you see open with live server? In your file, you're getting this. In your HTML file, you're getting this open with live server. Are you getting open with live server? Everyone are getting this. If you install live server, you will get this. If you're not installing, you won't get. Just right click. Just right click. Open with live server. Now your browser is running. It's loading the HTML file. See here. Beautifully my file index.html. Is my file loaded? Index.html file. Loaded here. Can you see here in the URL? Index dot. And did you notice where is my web technology title? Did you notice where is my web technology title? Yes, this is the use of title tag. This title, like you have a classroom here also, Q Spiders or something like that title. When you search for Amazon, something like that, you get the title. See here, Amazon title. You're getting the title. Same way. When you search for Myntra, you get title. Any application you work, everything is having a title. Myntra, title. Can you see? Every application is having its own title. Is that clear? Yes, for Myntra, there is a title called online shopping for women, men's and kids and all those title. Like that. Each and every application is having its own title. See, online shopping site in India. This is the title for Amazon. Like this. Even we can give our own title. Whatever the title you want, you can give. It's left up to you. Okay? Everyone is working with the title tag. Executed title, it's working fine. You should do along with me. How I'm doing, you have to do the same thing along with me. Then only you'll get the practice of it. Done? Understood with the title? So what is title tag? Just one line of definition. What is title tag? What did you understand from this? Title tag is nothing. It will just give or display the title for your web page. Okay? It will display the title for the web page. Simple. It will display title for the web page. Okay. Next tag you have, the next set of tag you have, that is link tag. Just type link. Here you're getting something red color keys in the style sheet, something href. You're getting something. Did you get this? Whenever you type a link tag, are you getting like this? Link. Just type link. Are you getting this? Link tag. Okay. Link is a paired tag or unpaired tag now? Very good. Unpaired. Unpaired, not unparent. It's unpaired tag. Okay. Now my question. What is this red color REL These are called as attributes. Okay. These red color, here we have char set, language, HTML, name, content, all these things. They are called as attributes. What are attributes? Next, after the head section tags, next we'll discuss about attributes. Then I'll tell you what is the meaning of attributes. Okay. We'll discuss what is attributes after the head section tags. Now understand, this is called as relationship. See here, this attribute is a relationship of a linked document to a current document. Example, the main use of link is to connect CSS file. What is the main use of link to connect? External CSS file I'm talking about. In CSS, we have inline CSS, internal CSS, external CSS. We'll discuss once we come to CSS. But external is something, separate file you create. You create a separate file, style.css. You created a separate file now? Yes. CSS file is created. Yes or no? Can I put my structure here? Shift 1. See here? Error. I can't put my structure here. Can you put your structure in a CSS file? Is CSS file used to put the structure? No. That means I'm giving some styling here. But how it is connected to HTML? I'm doing some designing in CSS. But how to connect it to HTML? Correct? How to connect it to HTML? For that, you have something called as link tag href, hyper reference. See the definition. This attribute specifies a linked resources. Linking the external resources. Getting my point? External file you want to link. I said you, without HTML, CSS will run. Without HTML, CSS will run. Without HTML, JavaScript will run. No, that means you should link it, right? You have to link it HTML with CSS file. How to link is like this. Here, just connect the file name. That's it. In the place of href, connect the CSS file name. Yes, connect the CSS file name. Now, whatever you do the designs here, example, I'll just show you simply for demo. Don't work on this. You don't work on this. This is just for demo. I'll just apply one background color and see the output now. It's working. One background color I'm getting here. I'm getting one background color, CSS color. If I comment this is called as commenting. Commenting means that code will not be used. Control / Control +/ Use this for commenting. Now see. Is there background color now? Is there any background color now? Why it's not working background color? I didn't link HTML to CSS. I didn't link it. I have commented that link or I have removed that link. There is no linking only. Without linking, can it run? Can this color apply now? Without linking, it is not working. That is the reason you have to link. That is the reason I said CSS is dependent on HTML. JavaScript is dependent on HTML. Without HTML, you cannot run CSS. You cannot execute JavaScript functionalities. CSS also require HTML. JavaScript also require HTML. They are dependent on each other. Okay. Now use the link tag. Connect the style sheet and see now background color is applied now. Now the CSS file is working. Getting my point? Everyone. Ma'am, what is this style sheet? The name itself is telling it is a style sheet, styling. CSS sheet. It is a styling sheet. It is used to style. The relationship should always be a style sheet whenever you connect a CSS file. Please understand. Okay. Especially in your link tag, whenever CSS file is connected, the relation should be style sheet. It should be the style sheet. There, you should not change the name. Example, I will change some other thing here. I will put here some other something like CSS. Something I'll put like this. See the output now? Is there working? That relationship is working now? Is it working here? Yes. So this relationship should be style sheet. It should always be style sheet. Please understand. You should not change this relation. Okay. It's inbuilt. You and your sisters are the brother and sisters. That relationship is inbuilt. You cannot change that relationship like that. Whenever you're connecting your CSS file, the relation should be style sheet. Relation and href are the attributes. I'll tell you once we are done with style and script. After those tags, I'll tell you what are attributes. How they are working, I'll tell you. As of now, understand, this is relationship. This is hyper reference. Okay. Understood. Link is used to connect external file. Don't worry about CSS now. Don't worry about CSS. Delete the file. I'm not going to do anything with CSS now. Understand. Just understand. Link is used to connect external CSS file. That's it. In one line. Link is used to connect. External CSS file. Whenever you're connecting a CSS file, relationship should be style sheet. Simple. Understood? This is all about your link. One use. The one use of your link is to connect external style sheet. Okay. You have one more use of link. There is a two uses of link. Okay. There are two uses. One uses, it is connecting CSS file. Okay. What is one more use? Example, you search Amazon or whatever. Take any application. People, did you notice except our web technology tab, leave that web technology tab. Did you notice in every tab, Amazon is having one icon, that A icon. Did you notice that? Okay, yeah, Varshita, yes, announce. I'll just come back, people. Just listen to the announcement.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, guys. This is Varshita from management team. Am I audible to everyone, guys? Okay. So, guys, today I'm here to announce regarding your payment. So, guys, students those have paid a partial has to be complete your full fees, guys, or else you will be auto blocked from the class. So make sure that if already done with the payment, so you can ignore this message, or else so please make your partial fees. Okay. So guys, everyone added your profile in your software? Everyone had it? So if no, so please add your profile, guys. So or else you can't able to log into the classes. So before that, so please add your profiles in your software. Okay. Yeah. So that's it from my end, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you, mom.
Okay, people. Yes, I was telling something. Can you see the each tab? Amazon is having one A icon, Mintra is having M icon, Flipkart is having yellow color with F icon. Did you notice that? Did you notice that? See, my Q Spider platform is having T icon, the test yantra, the T icon, like that. Each and every what to tell, each and everything will have its own icon. If you take WhatsApp, each and every application that will have a green color icon. Yes, yes, you're getting my point. You're getting my point. How to get that icon? Even I want for my web page also. See, my web page is not having any icon. It is just having one globe symbol, default symbol. I want to put one beautiful image there also, whatever the image you want. Example, webtech image. Any webtech images. Like go for images. Any webtech images you want to add. Just, yeah. Example. Okay, this one. Right click on the image. People listen here. Whichever the image you want, right click on the image. Can you see copy image address? Once you right click, you will get save image, copy image, open image. In that copy image address, not copy link address. Don't click on link. Click on copy image address. Okay. Copy image address. Okay. Come to your HTML now. Open the link tag. Create a link tag now. In the place of href, paste the copied image address. Paste the copied image address. Now my relationship is different. Now I am not connecting style sheet here. I am not connecting style sheet. Now my relationship is changed. Now I'm adding here the relationship called as icon. I'm adding a icon to the web page. So I'm changing the relationship of my, see, before it was giving style sheet. That is the relationship. Now I'm changing the relationship. Now I'm adding icon. See the file now? Did you see here? Did you see my file webtech image is added? Did you notice that? Can you see here black color, that webtech image? Yes. That is how your link tag, another use of it. What is the another use of it? To add the icons for your web page. People, go to any images, download or directly copy the image addresses, like right click, copy image address. 1 minute. Yes, right click on that image, copy image address. Why this keyboard is making me? Yeah, right click, copy image address. Now come to your HTML file. In the place of href, create a new link tag. In the place of href, paste whatever you have copied. Change the relationship into icon. Change the relationship into icon. Now see, a new image is added now. See my file now? Before it was a black color web technology. Now it's become a blue color image. The image is changed. Did you notice that? Yes, ma'am, directly, or you can even download the image, save it in your web technology folder, then also you can add the image. Okay, right click. Can you see here save the image? Can you see here save the image? Save the image. Click it on save the image. Go to the desktop. Where is your folder? Yesterday we created folder web technology. Go to this folder. Here you don't have any folders inside that. So what you do? Right click, create a new folder called image. Inside that image, here you save it. Save the file name as web. Save it. That's it. Your image is saved now. Your image will be saved now. Check your file. Check your file here. See here. Can you see image? Index.html image. Inside image, web image. Inside image, web image. Can you see? Yes, we downloaded it and we saved it. Now you can add directly. Even you can copy the link, or what you can do, create a link tag, dot slash, use dot slash to access the folder. Use dot slash to access the folder. Directly you won't get that image. It should be gone into the folder. Then you should select that. Or see here, image, web image. Change it into icon. Getting image. It is a image folder. Inside that image folder, web image. So the path you should give correctly. Image folder. Inside that image folder, web image. It will only take automatically. You don't need to type anything. Just type I. You get image folder. Inside that, web image. Automatically it will only take. Yes. Understood. Either copy image address or download it and paste the path. But this image should be in your web technology folder. Inside the folder. Getting? Everyone are getting? Yes. So what is the another use of link tag? It is used to add icons to the web page next to the title. Next to the title, icon for the web page next to the title. Okay, so whenever icon is added, whenever image is added, okay, relation should be icon. You should change the relation into icon. Getting? Yes. Both uses of link tag. Did you understand both the uses of link tag? Yes. Did you understand both the uses of link tag? Guys, are you there? Yes. Execute link tag now. Execute copy image address also. And execute even downloaded image also. Both you try. Copy image address and downloaded image. Both you try. Okay. So did you understand in both the way? In copy the image address and even in saved image. Okay, clear with the link tag, everyone? Yes. The next tag inside the head section, the fourth tag, that is style tag. What is the style tag? The name itself you can understand. What is that style tag? Styling, that is nothing but it is, I'll write down here so the reference. So style tag is nothing. It is used to add internal CSS design to HTML document. How to add external CSS then? Link tag. Link tag is used to connect external CSS, but you have something called as internal CSS. To add that, we need style tag. So this we will discuss in the, once you come to CSS, how to add, how to give the content in that, what are the properties need to be passed in that, all those things once you come to CSS, then we'll discuss. Now it's not required. Now no use of making it also. Okay. So just understand, style tag is used to add internal CSS to her HTML file. Getting my point? Yes. Everyone. In the same way, script tag also. It is used to add internal JavaScript to HTML document. What is the use of script tag? It is used to add internal JavaScript. Only script, not about script module or script SRC, only script. This is used to add internal JavaScript. This is used to add internal CSS. Okay, once we are coming to that particular concept, then we will understand how to add those things. Is that clear? Okay, so all the 5 head section tags, all the 5 head section tags are done. Coming from the meta tag, title tag, link tag, style tag, script tag. Okay, clear with these 5 tags, what are the uses and how to use them? These two, once you're coming to CSS and JavaScript, then only you'll understand. Don't worry. Okay, we will do in this only. Okay. Now, these are the tags in header. So head is closed. Close the header. Now come inside the body tags. Inside the body, the first thing I want to teach is attributes. Everywhere we are seeing this relation, href, language, these kind of attributes and all, correct? So we will understand what is the meaning of attributes. Okay, so what is attributes we will understand. Yes, what do you mean by attributes? Everywhere you're seeing in link tag or in other tags, everywhere we are seeing those red color, some words, they are coming. What are those things? Attributes are nothing. You can tell in a simple way. Very good. It is used to add additional functionalities to one HTML tag. Example, already a link is working like a connecting CSS file. Now, you're changing the behavior of that link only now. Before, the behavior of link is to connect the file. But now, how it is working? Now, it's working to add the image. Behavior is changed now. Link behavior is changed now. You're getting my point? One tag behavior is changed. You can change that functionality of the tag only. You can change it. You can change the functionality or add some extra functionality. That is called as attributes. That is called as attributes. So attributes are nothing. It is used to add additional functionalities to an HTML tag. To an HTML tags, you want to add additional functionalities or change the behavior. You can change the behavior of that particular tag. Getting my point? Yes, you can change the behavior of the tag only. It was behaving like a linking. It was connecting a file. Now the behavior itself has changed. It is connecting, it is adding image. So the behavior of a tag itself has changed. Getting my point? Every time I can't tell respond, right? You should tell something yes or no. With whom I'm asking, getting my point? Are you understanding? Are you getting? With whom I'm asking? Tell me. With you people only, right? I'm asking. Should I tell every time respond guys, respond, everyone respond, everyone respond? Should I keep telling that every time? Why you people are making like this to shout, please? Okay. So first thing is it is used to add additional functionalities to an HTML element or change the behavior of that HTML tag or that particular tag. Okay. And one more thing, attributes should always be written in opening tag of HTML. Remember, attributes should always be given in opening tag of HTML. You should always use attributes in opening tag of HTML. Okay. Remember this. Remember this. How to write? Example. You have one tag. This is opening tag. You have some content. Then you are closing the tag. This is closing the tag. Where should I write? Here. Here should I write this opening tag. Here I have to give the attribute name. This is attribute name equal to, in the quotations, you have to give the values for that. Simple. Like how you did in a link tag. See here, attribute equal to value. Simple. Okay. Tag name inside the opening tag. Inside the opening tag, you should give the attributes. This is the syntax, or this is how you have to write it. In this attributes, you have two types of attributes. Two types of attributes. What are the two types of attributes? Local attributes and one more is global attributes. Local attributes and global attributes. What are the two attributes we are having here? One is local attributes and another one is global attributes. So what do you mean by local? What do you mean by local? Yes, what do you mean by local? Very good. Local is something which can be used only in some specific tags. Those kind of attributes will only work in some tags, will not work in all the tags. Okay, so local attributes are nothing. These attributes will work, or these attributes are used only in some specific tags. Getting my point? These attributes will work only in some specific tags. Example, there is an attribute called as src. This will work only in image tag. src is a source. Only for the image you should give the source. You cannot go and give the source for all the tags. Getting my point? Only image is a tag which takes a file path. Yes, only for that image tag you can give src attribute, source attribute, or href. Href will only work in link. Or you have one more tag, anchor. Href will only work in link and anchor. It will not work in any other tags. Or you have one more called as alt. Alt will also work in only image tag. It is alternative name that you'll study once you come to the these things. Okay. Then you have many attributes like this. Type attribute, start attribute, like this. Many are there, but once you come to the concept, you will understand. As of now, remember, local attributes will only work in some tags. It will not work in all the tags. But we have something called as global attributes. Global attributes. What are global attributes? These attributes will work or are used in all the available tags, in all the HTML tags. How much our tags you have? In all the tags. Formatting tags you can use, or you can use in heading tags, you can use inside anchor tag, you can use inside image tag, you can use inside form tag, you can use inside table tag. In all the tags you can use these attributes. You can use global attributes in all the tags. Like ID attribute, you can use it in all the tags. Class attribute, you can use it in all the tags. Style attribute, title attribute, etc. These are also called as core attributes. You can even call them global attributes or core attributes. They can be used in all the HTML tags. Is that clear? Here you can take a relation also. Relation will only work in link tag. Like this. Okay. ID, class, style, title. These are the core attributes where you can use in all the tags. Style you will understand once you come to CSS. That is used for inline CSS. ID and class is CSS selectors. Title will use it. Once you are coming to the body tags, then we will use title and show you. Okay. So understood. Example, see here. I will show you now. Now, image. By default, SRC and alt is coming. Did you notice that? By default, in the image, I'm getting SRC is nothing but source. This is source. Alt. This is alternative name. If I take anchor tag, A tag, can you see href? I said you href is only used in anchor or link. I said you href is only used in anchor or link. If I take some paragraph tag, okay, P tag I took. Okay, I'm trying to write here href. Am I getting that suggestion? Am I getting that suggestion here? Am I getting that suggestion here? No, I'm not getting. If I write SRC, I'm trying to write SRC. I'm forcefully adding SRC. Am I getting that? Am I getting that suggestion there? No. But the same thing, you add ID. See here, I'm getting suggestion for ID. I'm getting suggestion for ID. You add class. I'm getting suggestion for class. That means they are global attributes. I'm adding title. See here, I'm getting suggestion for title. They are showing me suggestion. Why? Because I can add them. I can add them. Or style. See here, CSS style. This is used to add inline CSS. I'm getting suggestion. Can I add these tags inside them? Yes, you can add. See here, you can add ID. Inside image also you can add ID. Inside image you can add class. Inside image you can add title. Global attributes you can add in every tags. But local attributes you can't add in many of the tags. Getting my point? Global attributes you use in all the tags. It will work. Local attributes will not work. Only they are dedicatedly, they are given only for certain tags. Only for them they will work. Yes. Understood about attributes, what are attributes, why attributes are used. You will more understand once when you come into the concepts. Okay, once you come into the concept, in every tags we use different attributes. Then you will understand how they are working, what are the uses of that. One live example I shown you using relation. Using relation, if the attribute is changed, the relation itself is changed. You notice this, right? Yes, the same way working process is happening for attribute. Okay, like this only working will happen. This will change the entire behavior of the tag only. This one attribute will change entire behavior. Are you getting? So attribute is having a special power in that link, in that tags. In that particular tags, you can use the attributes very beautifully and you can design them. Okay, understood? Global attributes, local attributes. Yes. So 1 minute. Be 1 minute. Be in the class. I'll just check out who are the people who joined in Q Talk. If I share the notes, will you people receive it or not? I don't know. I have to check it. Oh, 1 minute. Okay, what is the batch code of this? E7. E7, E7, E7. Yes. Okay, I'm just sending hi. I have sent hi. I've said this is WebTech group. Everyone got that message? Hi, this is WebTech group. The people who are there in Web Technology class. Hi, this is WebTech group. Please refresh your file. I mean, refresh your application and open. Guys, am I audible? Sorry, guys, due to some server issue, I just logged in Q Talk. My class got disconnected. Yes, I sent a message in Q Talk. Hi, this is a WebTech group. Have you people received it? In the Q Talk, you people got the message? Anyone who didn't get message? That means all are there in the group. All the people are there in the group. Don't worry. Okay? All are there in the group now. Yes, everyone are there in the group. Okay. Yes. Okay. So just be in the line. I have shared one file in the QTalk naming web notes. Okay, there is option called click to download. Are you able to download that? Just check out and let me know. Are you able to download that? And inside that, just check out all the notes are present or not till today. Because some people are telling we are not able to download the notes whichever is sent in QTalk. So please let me know. Please let me know whether you are able to download the notes. Okay, in that you see till today all the attributes. Till attributes notes are there in that. Till today the notes are there in that. Yes, starting with beginning. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, fine. So the people who didn't get it, you will receive it from the QTalk. The people who were absent yesterday or didn't join it, just check out the QTalk. The theory content I have shared in the QTalk. Okay. Yes, it's a notepad file only, main. It's a notepad file. Okay. Yes. Good, good. Okay. And the people who have joined today, please download the VS Code and just install that. Nothing else. In that remaining details, all are there in that notes only. If you refer that, you will understand. Only theory content we did. Refer that. You will understand what are the things we done. Extensions. Okay, okay. The people you don't know what are the extensions to download who is new to the class. So people see here what are the extensions to download. Please download 3 extensions, especially for your live server. This is the first extension you're supposed to download. Download this extension first, live server. Can you see? Mahesh, who asked me? Mahadev. Mahadev, can you see the screen? Yeah, this is the first extension. Take a pic of this or download this. Then this is the second extension, material icon theme. Material icon theme is the second extension. And the last extension is prettier. Download this extension. These are the 3 extensions which is required as of now. Yes. Done? So, and the people who have joined today, I have shared you the notes in the QTalk. Please refer the notes from there. Next, from tomorrow, we'll start with the body section tags. Okay. We'll start one by one concept in the body section tag till the head section. Practice and prepare. Everyday practice. Okay. Go through the notes, whatever we have done. Practice every day. Okay. So we'll start from tomorrow with the body section tags. So you can leave for today. We'll just continue in tomorrow's class.